welcome to my channel Alex Bine. This is a new rendering of a 2025 Lada Iskra Cross Cabrio. It will be based on a sedan, which will get 2 doors instead of 4, and the folding roof will be made of fabric. Like the sedan, the new convertible will be built on the Renault-Nissan's refined CMF-B platform. The engine range includes two 1.6-liter gasoline engines with an output of 90 and 106 horsepower. It was decided to add all-wheel drive for cross versions, and the convertible could be the first with such a drivetrain. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.